You guys wanted more fursuit videos, so here you go, here I am making another one. The first thing I do is start out with a long strip of white foam, as long as my head. I cut in notches along the top in order to make a bucket head. Keep those scraps, you're going to need them. I fold in those triangles and glue them down. This domes off the top of the head. I add a little bit of felt for extra security on the top seam. After that, I map out the eyes, mouth and nose to make sure I'll be able to see. My style is specifically very short muzzled, so here is the beginnings of the muzzle. After that, I add the nose bridge and the bottom jaw. This will be hollowed out so you can breathe, don't worry. These eyes are just temporary and not the ones I'm going to use for the suit, but as you can see, I've bulked out the cheeks, added on the ears, added on a bit more bulking around the mouth. I'm going to add a little bit more and clean up, but yeah. For the eyes of this suit, I wanted to get them 3D printed as they're a custom shape, so here is my plan for the 3D model, and here is the finished 3D result. They slot neatly into the head and leave a lot of room for vision. In order to pattern the head, I personally use duct tape, which I kind of press onto my clothes a little bit to make it slightly less sticky, and then I tape it to the head, doing half of the head as my heads are symmetrical on both sides, so I only need one half to do the pattern. I take extra care to pattern the inside the mouth to make sure it'll be neat, and here it is so far. Hey you, yes you, do you like furrier videos? No? Well, you're gonna have a terrible time, you should leave. For everyone else who has stayed, here's a little update on the suit I've been working on. As you can see, I've been working on the mouth. This is my first time sewing a lined mouth, so it's not perfect, but it is a lot better than when I glued the last one, so I'm very happy with how it's coming along. And look, he's got little teeth, little minky teeth, little soft minky teeth. How adorable. Love that, love that. As well as that, he has a tongue. This was the first one, it was too small. Here's the second one. It's a lot bigger and a lot better. And oh look, he has eyes! These eyes were designed by me, 3D modeled by a friend, printed by another friend, then painted. I painted the inside eyes, and look, he's got a little nose, a little snout. This is also my first time doing more complex face markings, and I'm really happy with how these came out. I think they look pretty cool on his cheeks, and I'm going to airbrush on his eyebrows, as well as finish up the rest of his hair in the next video, so keep on watching, give me a follow if you want to see the rest of this boy. He's nearly done. He's nearly done. And just like that, the boy is done. Here is the finished result with his hair, his magnetic eyelids, his ears, his piercing, the whole thing, it's all complete. Massive thank you to everyone who's been following my work, by the way. If you like what I do, please feel free to leave a comment below and drop me a subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thanks so much. See you guys next video. Bye!